badness. You gotta love their vibe. You have to love their style, and you have to also appreciate their fashion sense. Yama Boyz are with me tonight on The Trend. Mambo vipi, you guys? Y'all look so fresh.
Thank you so much. Yama Boyz up in the place.
Yeah,
to keep the style executional.
This is fresh. This is fresh.
What
were you saying?
We're keeping the style executional.
Okay.
Ya kumalo, unajua kumalo.
Yeah, ini ya kumalo for
lazima.
Unakani kama umekuja kuhandle serious business in town.
Unajua lazima hii mtaani sisi ndo tunapanganga kila kitu.
Mkitoka kwa wao social guys are like, where are these guys going? It doesn't even look like they look like they're coming to discuss the deal for the airport.
That's of badness.
Namin. But you so you guys are fly generally. Like you take your fashion very seriously.
Lazima.
Yeah? Okay. So who's who?
Yeah, I'm Dafozil up in the place. Yeah, and I represent Yama Boyz in the building. Yeah, so savage.
Okay.
So Mimi, I go by the name Sule Boy.
Student boy.
Sule Boy.
Yeah.
Oh.
Representing county 001.
Watu wa Costa.
Watu wa Costi.
Na mkatoa napi?
So kuna time ilikuwa high school. Kuna mse fulani nilikuwa nasoma naye. So tukapatana through high school. Kuna freestyle fulani ya Rayvanny. Alikuwa anaimba Times FM. So hiyo time nilikuwaga sijui kurap. So nilikuwa nawapa hiyo freestyle wanashindwa, mse ni mnoma. Sasa ikabidi wameni introduce kwa Devi. So after introducing me to Devi, that's how we came up with the Yama Boyz. Wakanipea instrumentals, sikujua naweza rap. So after amenipea instrumental, nikaingia studio, nikajipata nimeandika.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember the freestyle?
Sai nafanya mambo mengi sai nimesahau.
Okay. So what did you think when you first linked up?
Before to link up, nilikuwa nishapata information about Sule Boy.
How?
Sindio, so umesikia anasema kuna niga fulani best yake walichop naye.
Yeah.
So mimi nembo kuna niga neto Sule Boy anaroga na chana Dafozil. Unafujua hivyo. Juu pia mimi natema saa hiyo. So pia rumors zinatembea kila mahali Dafozil ni mgenje. Anapata hiyo riba. Shapata hiyo riba nda kujua Dafozil nani. Pia mimi nishajua kuna niga fulani shule fulani anasumbua. Hiyo shule iko Asiko sto niga shaka Nairobi.
Asharudi. Ashafika
Nairobi, secondary amesomea Nairobi. So mimi napata information ikiwa mtani kuna niga fulani secondary anachana.
Yeah.
So hapo ndo nikataka kujua msanii nani kwanza tujaribu nionekane naweza nitoa ama tukapata batch tulivibe poa na ndo si hapa sasa.
That's so nice. The chemistry was just from day one.
Day one.
Yeah.
Tunaelewana na huyu. And what about musically, his style as well?
So for me I do everything.
Okay.
Nafanya mapiano, nafanya drill, nafanya afro rumba, drill, kila kitu nafanya.
Mimi najua msezi jilimit. Unajua kujilimit ni na mafona jilimit.
Hufai kujilimit.
Hufai kujilimit. Jaribu hapa diskutapita naye.
Yeah, it's true. Because you can't box yourself, especially as an artist.
Sio. So ndio hivyo tunaangukia kila mahali.
So Yama Boyz mko na sound kweli?
Sound yetu tunafanya hip hop. In general tunafanya hip hop dancehall. But tunapenda pia tukifanya other entertainment songs, unaona? Ile to keep the vibe Yama Boyz keep going.
Yeah. You have a song coming out with Okelo Max.
True story.
Yeah. Sasa hiyo ni area ingine tena tumeenda.
Sasa ni rumba drill tunaingia huko tena.
Rumba drill
so doesn't it do rumba na pop?
Yeah.
Umesikia vile Sherry na pop?
Yeah.
So tunataka kuletea kitu kama hiyo tena.
So what's it called? Can you tell me? Najua uja release but what can you tell me about the song?
So hiyo ngoma inaitwa Mission.
Yeah. All right. So the mission is love, I imagine, kwa sababu ni Okelo Max.
Maybe kitu kama hiyo na bado za streets unaelewa lazima tuanguke kila mahali.
Yeah.
So song ngoja msikilize itakuwa mtatuambia.
Okay. So that has to come. You already have Finesse out. Tell me about Finesse.
Finesse ili happen time nilikuwa unajua 20 kifanya siku nilikuwa nimepata accident.
Yeah.
So ili happen design siwezi enda kufanya recording on a studio, but Sule Boy ali pull up na ali do the song. Ilikuwa very 100%. So the song ya Sule Boy.
Finesse tulikuwa Devi venye amekwambia alikuwa na hiyo accident. So mimi nikaona siwezi kaa hiyo time yote nikimgoja Devi apone. So I had to do it on my own. Nikamshirikisha jamaa fulani tulikuwa naye kitambo kwa ngoma. So aka come through studio, tulifanya saa 6 saa 5 usiku hivi. Tulikuwa studio tunaandika, vibe ika come through.
Sayo ndo ubamba. It's true. Sayo ndo the juices are flowing. Things you know, creativity is at 100%. I don't know why. Sanane saa 7 ya usiku.
So joka pondo matema kunanga kelele mingi, kuna umetulia msemo yana kusuboa kejani ushangoja amedoze, unaona umedoze. Wacha nianguke nayo.
Yeah. So good night babe, good night. Sasa tu focus na kazi.
Unaanza kufocus na chura tu hapo dogo dikani kwa notepad. Unamaliza nayo.
Do you have a studio?
Kwa sasa tunafanya studio nyingine tofauti. Tulikuwa tuna work na Basement. Sai we are moving on to someone else.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about management, label?
Management kwanza big up to King Canon. Yeye ndo anatusupport na anatupangia mipango. Tunatona mpaka sasa hapa. Alafu na Alando.
Yeah.
Yeye sasa ndo wametupanga. Tunasema is our manager.
Yeah. Oh, that's so nice. You guys are having a lot of support. You know, I tell people this all the time. Music is a very, very expensive business. And, you know, when you're looking at just the studio sessions, you're looking at even going to interviews, the transport, not even you guys looking like $1 million like this. No. Everything about it is so expensive.
Lazima mukuchu.
Video production. Lazima, sindio. So ukipata kushikilia alafu vitu ziwaka out, you'll be fine, but people don't have that belief at first. So they've said your music is different and you guys are very you're not the usual typical Kenyan musicians we hear of. Why do they say that? What is so different? Yama Boyz kwani mnaleta nini?
Style ni different hadi najoshaona. Style ni different.
Yeah.
Lazima executional style.
Oh, executional style even in music.
Kwa malo.
Hata pia kwa kigoma.
Kumalo.
Okay.
Siku zote.
So this has been going on for how long? How long have you guys been together releasing music?
4 years right now.
4 years.
Yeah.
Okay. 4 years is a long time. It's a very long relationship. Is that the longest relationship you've been in?
Tulijiona kitambo bado ninja akiwa shule.
Oh.
Tumefanya mambo mingi but Yama Boyz imezaliwa 2020. Hiyo jina Yama Boyz. COVID ilileta hiyo time kulikuwa na mambo mingi, tulikuwa kwanza group, tulikuwa karibu mtu 4. So mambo ikakuwa hivi kakuwa sawa, tachana nayo Yama Boyz bado tutaendelea. So hiyo time ya COVID ikatupatia chance tukaanza kutupa vitu social media nini bado tuna keep going. Tuko na tu inaja tulalishe juu ati ile mbogi nyingine imeanguka. Tuendelee to create a new style and Yama Boyz ikakuwa born.
Yes, and here you are, all this time later with a lot more new music. Okay, so what's coming up for you guys, other than the new song with Okello Max? What else is?
Vitu mingi zinakam. Inafaa tu inakuwa surprise kwenye.
Tunataka kujaribu urban tone kidogo. Yeah, tusikie venye ita sound.
Yeah. Are you going to work with an urban tone producer?
Yeah, lazima we work with an urban tone producer na artist pia.
Oh, and I'm here artist.
Yeah.
Which are the names you're floating around? I have suggestions.
Sijadhani kama tushafikiria nani.
Yeah.
But pande hiyo si tunajua tuko very. Ikifika hiyo time tutajua nani tutamweka hapo.
Okay. Mimi naweza suggest Godi Tena.
Godi Tena.
Poa. Sean MMG is not bad. Tipsy G is actually pretty cool as well. There's who else do I like right now that I'm feeling? I think anybody from
Ungesema Lil Maina. Afadhali huyo
hata. Sio kama atapatikana lakini yeye pia anaweza
that ni yule nigga ndo mimi naona afadhali ako top thumbs up.
Yeah.
Hao wengine achana nao kwanza.
Unaona ni kama hawafiki hawatoshi.
Sidhani kama nashinda Yama Boyz kwanza.
Unaona you don't need them.
Sidhani kama naweza nisaidia kwa sasa.
I like it.
Yeah.
You're like, if they can't do anything for me, I would rather we either just do the song by ourselves.
So jifanyie.
Yeah, or we say, so all the best. Let me see if you guys will get me.
Lazima.
Lazima waamini.
Executional.
That's how you gotta believe. You gotta believe, man. And I like that. There's a time I was talking to, I don't remember who it was. I think it was some big artist. Akaniambia they can't get a manager because they can't find someone who can do for them what they already do. You know, they can't meet someone who will make a difference for them. So it's a mindset thing. Okay, well, we hopefully will get to catch you guys again when you come and drop the song with Okelo Max.
Yeah, lazima takam.
Ina drop na visuals, I imagine.
Lazima. Tunataka kwanza tushughulikie video. Ndio tumeanza mpangilio.
Yeah.
Ikiwa done lazima tutembea hapa Nation TV.
Karibuni tena. Solo unaambia nini watu wa Mombasa?
Mimi naambia watu wa Mombasa waendelee kusupport Yama Boyz. We are a big team, by the way, sasa hivi, and we're bringing you mambo makubwa yani.
New style. Executional ya kumalo.
Quite, is it really hard to look like this when you come to work, honestly? Like if we like think about it, I wore a flower.
I'm looking at them and I'm like, I'm scared. You know, dressing like that. Unapatiana vibes tu za watu wanafikiria unaweza change maisha zao.
Ni ukweli.
They look at you and they're just like,
they even run to talk to you.
Yeah, but what I love about this team is I was listening to their music and I'm like, that's so versatile. Like your range is so wide. You are here doing a love song, kidogo ndio nyinyi mna drill, kidogo gengeton iko ndani ama sijui ndio hii ya sahi wanaita.
They've said now they're going to dabble a bit in urban tone.
Urban tone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because that's the sound now?
Yeah. That's the hot sound now.
Is it tactical?
It is very tactical, right?
Lazima.
Because I think it's the biggest genre now, I think. Again.
Sendo na kugonga hiyo.
Yeah.
Lazima
okay.
tudunde nayo.
That's a bit, it would be interesting kuona watu urban tone wamevaa kama nyinyi because ile tumezoea.
Style lazima come in the country.
I think you what change. I think for that one they will change.
You know what they are giving? They are giving if Kasmuel was an urban tone musician.
Kaskazini.
Yes.
Kaskazini. There's a show they remind me of, and I was saying that the Peaky Blinders.
Yes.
Yes.
Thomas Shelby.
Yes.
And the brother.
That's the vibe I was getting. All right, so Kwach, we've got to close out the show. Thank you so much to the Yama Boyz. I appreciate y'all so much. Did I ask you about social media and where people can reach you if they want to?
Social media all over unazipata at Yama Boyz.
Okay.
Official tuko hivi duo. Alafu niko hivi solo unazipata kama Dafozil. Kila mahali, yeah.
So YouTube Yama Boyz official, Instagram kwa mimi Yama Boyz 001, TikTok Yama Boyz 001. Yeah.
Okay.
Alafu niko na big shout out kwanza to my fan and to my friend, lazima alikuwa anataka hii salamu imfikie na jamii imfikie, ni tu Pauline Maina. Ni my colleague but tunafanya naye kazi.
Yeah.
Bro, tuambie tu ukweli.
So
tell us the truth. Just tell us.
Ni colleague ni best.
They're called colleagues these days.
They're all squeezy wanaitwa colleagues.
Yeah. It's a new term. You know?
I think big shout out imemfikia na tukinken on PS kuzote.
All right.
Lando himself.
Yeah. Nani?
Alando.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. But the most important one was to Pauline. So Pauline
Maina.
I hope Pauline Maina. Oh, we have to also just in case you think
there could be many Paulines. We want to be clear.
It is you, Pauline Maina. Okay? Our colleague. We all love you now. All of us. It's a love thing. It's a love thing. But shout out to you, man. Kwach.
Yep.
Please, don't you want to go home?
It's been an amazing show. It's been amazing guests. Everyone has come through for the show. I loved Yama Boyz.
Yeah.
I loved the three-man army.
Yeah.
And our Paula, the representative, our new host, I was about to say.
Our co-host.
Our new co-host.
From Safaricom.
From Safaricom, yeah. It's been an amazing show. And of course, I was here as well. So that's also something to say. And as I finish, I just got some very sad news that my former director, Sami Mwangi, has lost the dad. Sami Mwangi, pole sana. May his soul rest in peace and may your family find strength to go through this moment as it happens. More will
Pole
follow.
sana.
Follow me on my socials at Nick Kwach everywhere. Utanipata pale. Plug me something. Niambie vitu nice. Otherwise, see you next time.
All right. Well, Sami was the director for many of the shows that Kwach and Osoro and Dennis Ndenga, my producer, have been a part of. I have never met him, and I know that he's someone very close to you guys. So pole sana to Sami and his family, and you know, the father's friends. It's a very, very difficult, you know, I think time when you grieve the loss of a father. They're all different. Even the mom is different. For the father, it's just, you know, the bravest, strongest man you know. So pole sana, truly. All right, so my name is Amina Abdirabar. I've got To Love and Leave You. DJ E has a residency at 1824 every Friday. So if you want to go and, you know,
Unwind.
and wind.
Unwind.
Oh, unwind.
Yeah.
Unwind. Yes, you can go do that, of course, with him. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the show. We've got to say goodbye. I love you. I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you. We'll catch you next week on Friday. Next week, I wish I could tease next week, but you know, these guests of mine, sometimes they don't confirm. So let's just wait until then. E, you want to say bye? Oh, that's that? Bye.
Yeah, I think you've said it all.
Okay.
One love.
And let's not forget to thank our dance crew as well. They're always amazing
Yes,
each and every Friday.
Chinku.
Yes.
Yes, and
Chinku is going places.
Yes.
Hype Chinku na squad yake. I wish he was here to tell us who's on the squad, because he's here receiving all the glory and a smile to you, man.
As he should. Sinia amewaita. As he should.
He'll tell us next week.
Yes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next week. DJ E started off the party, the weekend.